Which of the following was not the chief cause of the downfall of Mughal Empire? Coming of Europeans, lack of popular support to the government, Aurangzeb policy of religious intolerance, or rivalry, intrigues, and corruption giving rise to administrative chaos? And the correct answer is coming of Europeans. Which one of the following was a world historian? Arnold Toynbee, H. G. Wells, Jawaharlal Nehru, or none of these? And the correct answer is Arnold Toynbee. Who among the following kings of England was forced to sign the Magna Carta in 1250? King Edward, King John, King Henry, or none of these? And the correct answer is King John. Magna Carta was signed on June 15 in 1215 AD, 1220 AD, 1225 AD, or 1230 AD. And the correct answer is 1215 AD. Which of the following is oldest dynasty? Pallavas, Cholas, Chalukyas, or Satavahanas? And correct answer is Satavahanas. Slavery was abolished in the U.S.A. in 1863 by Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson, George Washington, or all of the above. And the correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. The first census in India during the British period was held during the viceroyalty of Lord Ripon, Lord Dufferin, Lord Lytton, or none of these. And the correct answer is Lord Ripon. When was the last Anglo Maratha war was fought? 1817 to 1818, 1850 to 1860, 1840 to 1842, 1810 to 1820. And the correct answer is 1870 to 1880. When was the first Anglo Maratha war was fought? 1765 to 1770, 1750 to 1760, 1775 to 1782, 1755 to 1765. And the correct answer is 1775 to 1782. When was the second Anglo Maratha war was fought? 1790 to 80,000, 18,003 to 18,005, 18,000 to 1810, or 18,002 to 1812. And the correct answer is 18,003 to 18,005. Watch our other videos. Support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.